tale of kindness. Once upon a time in a quaint little village, nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a small girl named Lily. Lily was a kind-hearted and adventurous child who loved exploring the wonders of nature around her. But her greatest joy came from her beloved pet, Tommy, a playful golden retriever, with eyes as bright as the sun. Lily and Tommy were inseparable companions, embarking on countless adventures together. They would chase butterflies in the meadows, splash in the sparkling streams, and nap under the shade of the old oak tree. Their bond was unbreakable, and their love for each other knew no bounds. One sunny morning, as Lily and Tommy were frolicking in the meadow, they stumbled upon a wounded bird lying helplessly on the ground. Lily's heart filled with compassion, and without a moment's hesitation, she gently scooped up the injured bird and cradled it in her hands. "We need to help her, Tommy," Lily said, her eyes filled with determination. Tommy wagged his tail in agreement, understanding the urgency of the situation. Together, they hurried back to Lily's cottage, where Lily carefully tended to the bird's wounds, with her gentle touch and loving care. She made a cozy nest for the bird and fed her nourishing food, never once leaving her side until the bird was strong enough to fly again. As days turned into weeks, the bird made a miraculous recovery under Lily's devoted care. She soon regained her strength and soared high into the sky, her wings outstretched against the golden hues of the setting sun. Lily watched with joy and pride, knowing that she had made a difference in the life of a creature in need. But as the bird disappeared into the horizon, a shadow fell over Lily's heart. She couldn't shake off the feeling of emptiness that crept into her soul. Tommy sensed his friend's sadness, and nudged her gently with his nose, offering her comfort and solace in his own silent way. "Lily, what's wrong?" Tommy's eyes seemed to ask, filled with concern. "It's just I miss her, Tommy," Lily whispered, her voice barely audible. Tommy nudged her again, urging her to look beyond her sorrow and see the beauty that surrounded them. And as Lily wiped away her tears, she realized that the love she had given to the bird had not been in vain. Though the bird was no longer by her side, she had left behind a legacy of kindness and compassion that would live on in Lily's heart forever. From that day onward, Lily and Tommy continued their adventures, with renewed vigor and a deeper appreciation for the miracles of nature. They understood that love knows no bounds, and that even the smallest act of kindness can make a world of difference. As they chased butterflies in the meadows, splashed in the sparkling streams, and napped under the shade of the old oak tree, Lily and Tommy knew that their bond was unbreakable, forged by the power of love, and strengthened by the memories they shared together. For in the end, it is not the length of time we spend with our loved ones that matters, but the depth of the love we hold in our hearts. And in that simple truth, Lily found solace and joy, knowing that she was truly blessed to have a friend like Tommy by her side.